how to fix UAE Pass face recognition not working. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into your phone settings first, and here you will search for iPhone storage. So click on the search bar, type iPhone, and from the list of applications you want to find the UAE Pass. So I'm just going to do that, and once you find the UAE Pass here, you want to click on the app itself, and you will click on Offload App. After you have offloaded the application, you will reinstall it. Okay, so once you have reinstalled the app, see if that fixes face recognition. If it still doesn't work for you, what you can do is go into the App Store and make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of UAE Pass. So I'm just going to type UAE Pass here, and if it says open, it means that you have the most up-to-date version. If it says update, then you want to update it to the most current version. And if it still doesn't work, what I suggest doing is simply restarting your phone. So restart your mobile device, and this should fix the issue. Leave a like and sub if any of those steps worked, and I'll see you next time.